The legend is back, bolder, faster, and more electrifying than ever. Meet the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette, a supercar that redefines performance, technology, and design. Whether you're a die-hard Corvette fan or a speed enthusiast, this is the car you've been waiting for. Chevrolet has taken the Corvette's iconic design to the next level. The 2025 model features an even more aerodynamic body with sharper lines, a wider stance, and a more aggressive front fascia. With new lightweight materials and enhanced airflow technology, this Corvette is built to slice through the wind like never before. And just look at that rear. The signature taillights, quad exhaust setup, and an active aerodynamic spoiler give this beast an unmistakable presence on the road. Under the hood, or should we say, behind the driver, lives the heart of the beast. The 2025 Corvette offers multiple powertrain options, including a naturally aspirated V8 pushing over 500 horsepower and an electrified hybrid variant producing a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. With an upgraded dual-clutch transmission, lightning-fast gear shifts, and an improved all-wheel drive system in the hybrid model, the new Corvette launches from 0 to 60 in just under 2.5 seconds. That's hypercar territory. Step inside, and you're greeted with a futuristic cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. A fully digital 12-inch driver display, an upgraded infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system make the 2025 Corvette not just a performance machine but a tech powerhouse. And for those who love the track, Chevrolet has introduced a new track-focused interior package with lightweight racing seats, carbon fiber trims, and an enhanced heads-up display for real-time performance data. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette will be available in multiple trims, from the standard Stingray to the electrifying ZR1 and even a rumored all-electric Corvette E-Ray. Base model, starting around $75,000. Hybrid ZR1 model, estimated at $150,000 plus. Electric Corvette TBA, price and details to be revealed soon. Chevrolet is bringing the future of supercars at a price that still makes sense. Expect the first deliveries to start in late 2024. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette is the perfect blend of American muscle, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design. With insane power, futuristic features, and an aggressive new look, it's ready to take on European exotics at a fraction of the price. What do you think of the 2025 Corvette? Would you pick the V8, the hybrid, or wait for the full electric model? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more epic car content, so you never miss an update.